बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम टू कैंटर पब्लिशर्स वीडियो सेशन।
ग्रेड 6 में अभी तक हम चैप्टर 1 डिस्कस कर रहे हैं और चैप्टर 1 में अब तक हम पढ़ चुके हैं सेल का स्ट्रक्चर, सेल को डिफाइन कर चुके हैं, लाइट माइक्रोस्कोप और इसकी वर्किंग डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ सेल्स वेदर इट इज़ एनिमल और प्लांट स्टडी कर चुके हैं अंडर माइक्रोस्कोप। एनिमल और प्लांट सेल के स्ट्रक्चर्स को डिटेल से स्टडी कर चुके हैं, इनके फंक्शंस पढ़ चुके हैं और ये भी पढ़ चुके हैं कि किस तरह एक सेल बायोलॉजिकल या फंक्शनल यूनिट होता है किसी भी लाइफ फॉर्म का। अब हम एनिमल और प्लांट सेल को कंपेयर करेंगे अपने 5th SLO में। कंपेयर एंड कंट्रास्ट एन एनिमल सेल विद द प्लांट सेल। अब और देखेंगे कि एनिमल सेल एक प्लांट सेल से किस तरह रिजेंबल करता है और किस तरह से ये सेल एक दूसरे से डिफ्रेंशिएट होते हैं। तो हमारी टेक्स्ट बुक का पेज 9 हमारे लिए बहुत इसके लिए हमें हेल्पफुल होगा। पेज 9 ऑफ CSS ग्रेड 6। जिसका टॉपिक है 1.5 कंपैरिजन बिटवीन एन एनिमल सेल एंड अ प्लांट सेल। तो चलिए देखते हैं कि एक एनिमल सेल और प्लांट सेल में क्या फ़र्क है और ये एक दूसरे से किस तरह मुख्तलिफ है। यू आर नाउ फेमिलियर विद एनिमल सेल by its shape and diagram and plant cell. The first difference between both type of cells is their size. First difference is in terms of size. Animal cells are generally small, whereas plant cells are generally large, ranging from 10 to 100 micrometers in length, whereas animal cells range from 10 to 30 micrometers in length. The first difference was in size. The second difference comes in terms of shape. As you already know that animal cells are surrounded by cell membrane, which is a flexible structure. Whereas plant cell are surrounded by a rigid structure that was cell wall, and cell wall maintains the shape of a cell, whereas the flexibility of cell membrane cannot maintain the shape of the cell. It is the second difference between animal and plant cell, that animal cells come in various shape, irregular shape due to their, and the reason behind their flexibility of cell membrane, whereas the plant cells are more similar in size and typically rectangular or cubical in shape, and it is because of the rigid structure of cell wall. Third difference we have already discussed, the presence and absence of cell wall. Animal cells does not contain cell wall, whereas plant cells contain cell wall. The outermost covering of plant cells is cell wall, and it is absent in animal cells. We have known that animal cells use centrioles for their division, whereas plant cells do not contain centrioles. Cell division or reproduction. Whereas plant cells do not contain centrioles. So it is another difference between animal and plant cells. The next difference is presence of plastids. You know very well that plastids are pigmented materials. They contain pigments and give color to plants, but animals lack plastids. They do not contain plastids are not present in animal cells, whereas they are present in plant cells and give color to plants, as well as they participate in food production process, that is photosynthesis, due to its chloroplast. The next difference is plant cells do not have plasmodesmata. Plasmodesmata are present only in cell wall. As cell wall lacks in animal cells, so plasmodesmata are also absent in animal cells. What are plasmodesmata? Revise for a while. These are plasmodesmata, a channel, a link, a bridge between two adjacent cells through their cell wall. It is a passage for the movement and transportation of material from one cell to another. But plant cells lack in animal cells because there is no cell wall, so no plasmodesmata. Animal cells transport their material through with the help of their cell membrane. The last but not the least difference between both cell type of cells is animal cells have many small vacuoles, whereas there is single larger vacuole in plant cell occupies the central space of plant cell. Whereas animal cells, there are many smaller vacuoles, and the vacuole in plant cell is large and the big one. It was the difference between both types of cells. Now you are familiar with the organelles of animals and the plant cells and have came to know how these cells are different from each other. Here we end up our topic, our SLO, the comparison between animal and plant cells. Here keep it in mind one thing, that all other organelles like mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, these are the structures that both types of cells have similar in structure as well as in function. Plasma membrane as well. Plasma membrane, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi complex, these are the structures that both types of cells do have. So here we end up our SLO, that was the comparison between plant and animal cell. Next we will discuss unicellular and multicellular organisms and the difference between tissues and organs. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.